Welcome back to Just Shake or Stir. My name is George and today we have another video, another easy gin cocktail for all of you stuck in home like me. Yes. We're having today a cocktail based on gin again. As I mentioned, the cocktail is called Park Avenue, and because it's Park Avenue and because the original recipe just saying use gin, I decided to go with the aviation, okay? American gin. So Park Avenue, American gin. Makes sense. For me, I don't know, maybe not. But yes, aviation gin. The reason also I'm using aviation gin is because it's very smooth and very easy to drink. So with this cocktail, because it's based on gin and have sweet vermouth and a bit of orange curacao and pineapple juice, I think the strength of the gin and the smoothness of the gin going very well with the cocktail. If you obviously don't have aviation gin, just use whatever gin you have. It really doesn't matter. I'm just giving you a suggestion, okay? What we need to do here, the cocktail is shaken because obviously we have juice in it, and let's start making, okay? Aviation gin, a double measure or 40 ml or 50 ml, depends what you're using in your country. I will go with 50 ml. Stuck at home, going nowhere, no driving, so let's have a good cocktail. Then you have a sweet vermouth. Use any sweet vermouth which you have available. Martini will do fantastic. This is a single measure 25 ml. Then we have pineapple juice. I have mine in this tube because it's nice for me to pour, but obviously you get the idea. Get a pineapple juice, just stick it in the shaker. This is again a single measure 25 ml of pineapple juice. And finally, the original cocktail required curacao. It doesn't mention which one, so kind of confused here because I presume saying just curacao, we talk about dry orange curacao, but because I don't have dry orange curacao, I'm gonna use both blue curacao. It doesn't need to be both, it could be any blue curacao. I just have down the shelves. And I'm thinking also, because of the blue curacao and the pineapple juice, we're gonna get a really nice, like a greenish color. It will look fantastic, not just taste fantastic, but it will look fantastic. So with the blue curacao, they say few drops of it. I'm gonna use a bar spoon, which is around 5 ml of blue curacao. It will give it just a little touch of orange flavor, and also it will make the color really nice and really greenish, turquoise. And overall, it should look really pretty. Oh, sorry. So let's grab ice and let's give it a shake. Lovely. This is another gin easy making cocktail at home with ingredients which you can find definitely everywhere online or in your local shop. I don't know how is the situation where you live and what you can do, what you able to do at the moment, but I hope you can find some of these because it's a nice, lovely little tipple which you can enjoy at home. Nighttime, have a nice TV, some movie, have that some snack, enjoy the evening. Let's see how it's coming. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it's a lovely light, like a, is that turquoise? I don't know, is it? It's greenish, okay. Original recipe say to add some ice. That's your personal preference. I don't think you need to add ice, but obviously if you want to dilute more the cocktail or keep it a little bit more chill, yeah, drop a few pieces of ice. Serve in your favorite glass. I'm using Nick and Nora glass because I think it's look fantastic for this. Again, no garnish. However, if you have oranges home, you can easily get a zest and just drop it in because with this gin and the sweet vermouth and with the blue curacao, which is orange liqueur, I think the orange it worked very nicely. I know it's pineapple juice, but you don't want to over do it with pineapple. It's enough the juice inside, so maybe a zest of orange will be nice garnish. However, don't bother. I think it's look fantastic as it is, and it's more important is how it tastes. So let's see. Smells beautiful. And tastes beautiful. And it's look beautiful. Yeah, fantastic gin cocktail. You can feel the gin, even it's a smooth, the aviation gin is very smooth and very settled. You can feel it really nicely kicking off, and with a bit of sweetness from the vermouth, and very, very slight, I don't know. I think the orange curacao here, it's more about kind of settling the balance between the pineapple and the vermouth, just to make a little bit, I don't know, I can't even explain. It is there, but it's very, very on the back end, because you have this sweetness from the pineapple and the vermouth working really nicely. You can't even say which one it's which, like in the levels, which one is more sweeter than the other, but both working fantastically balanced. And the most important is that you can feel the gin, and you have all this nice, lovely, fruity, citrusy, sweet flavor from all other ingredients, perfectly balanced with the gin. It's just beautiful. It is beautiful. Well, that's another video for you guys. Like and subscribe, please. Click this button, subscribe button, give it a like, leave me a comment, come on. Let's have some chat in this comment section. I feel so lonely, so empty out there. Come on, leave me a comment, and yeah, let me know if you want to see some special cocktail, or let's do that. You have a bottle home or some ingredients, leave me a comment. Ask if you want to know what you can do with them, and I'll come up with a video on request. Let's put it this way. If you want a video on request with your ingredients, I'll try to make my best with what I have, and something very close to your ingredients, so you can use it and you can create some nice tipo at home. Okay, let's do that. But again, like and subscribe. All right, I'll be back with another video. I have another gin cocktail coming, so we are on the gin vibe at the moment, because I don't know, is it because outside it's sunny where I am and it's fantastic. My dog is barking there. Beautiful. It's all beautiful. Full house, madness. I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers. This is the Park Avenue cocktail with Just Shake or Stir. Don't forget to subscribe, please. See you later. I love you and I leave you. Bye bye. See ya. Bye.